Hello guys, welcome to Itlander Graphics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to remove anyone from a picture. Please feel free to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Now the software I'm going to be using is Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. Now to remove anyone from a picture, all you have to do is to come here and click on the object selection tool, and drag and just drag down and leave for it to select. Now what you have to do now is to come to your select and go down to modify, and on modify click on expand and just change it to 3 or 4. I'm leaving it at 3 and click on OK. Now you can see that the image here is expanded. The selection has been expanded. All you have to do now is to go to edit and scroll down to content aware view, just like this. Now just leave everything like this and just click on apply and click on OK. As you can see, the person here has been successfully removed from the picture. All you have to do is to press and hold Ctrl plus D to deselect, and you can see that it's perfectly removed from the picture. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.